Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make the classic Rice Krispie Treat with a twist. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. You will need the following: 300 grams of marshmallows, 200 grams of Rice Krispies, 160 grams of chocolate, any chocolate you like is fine, and 55 grams of butter. Prepare your 200 by 300 baking tray with parchment paper or wax paper. Chop the chocolate into large chunks. Melt your butter over a low heat and add your marshmallows. Mix thoroughly. Remove from the heat and add the Rice Krispies and chocolate chunks. Wet your hands to flatten the mixture and use a spatula to smooth it out. Let it cool down and cut it into squares. Thanks for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.